Have to interrupt you just for a second. Take a breaking news. I understand that former TNA Secretary General Onyango Oloo is this morning expected to announce his defection from President Uhuru Kenyatta's camp and join the Orange Democratic Movement. He's expected to lead a host of other Jubilee Party members who will be crossing over to the opposition. Oloo will thereafter join ODM party leader Raila Odinga in his tours to mobilize Kenyans to register as voters ahead of the August 8th elections. He was left out in the lineup of the new Jubilee Party launched by President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy William Ruto in September last year. All right, let's cross over there live now and listen in to Onyango Oloo, of course, set to defect from President Uhuru Kenyatta's camp to the ODM party. Those on your screens are live pictures. Let's cross over there and take a look at what's happening right now.
I'm delaying just a little because I've been expecting some two branches to be joining us here. We were told they were at Royal. I want to know if they're not coming, then we just tuendelee too. Huh? Gin kanye? Wanomi Homa Bay kose Kakamega. Oh, chaka ko do no kamati.
Oh yeah. Vijende mo amigori. Weri mu maten.
Keki.
Human, sasa the budget man peaceful election. Sasa mbaya tutaki tuache ukabila na tusonge mbele. Wakenya tunarudi nyuma tukivutana. Wakenya wote basi tuwe pamoja. Wakenya basi sote tujenge Kenya. Wakenya wote basi tuwe pamoja.
Oh, we are live, eh? Sawa. There's no Mano? Yes, more kanye. Nani? Medwa koma chia kanyo. Edu chwalri mano ya Kakamega cha ubeka. Ube chwalri urukano karo chwalri.
That is former TNA Secretary General Onyango